Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Binance futures. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified and you have completed the futures quiz. Navigate to the futures section on the Binance platform. You will need to enable your futures account, which involves acknowledging the risks associated with leveraged trading. This initial setup is crucial for accessing the futures market and its various trading pairs. Next, you must fund your futures wallet. Transfer USD or other supported cryptocurrencies from your spot wallet directly to your futures wallet. Once funded, you can select an order type. Market orders execute immediately at the current price, while limit orders allow you to set a specific entry price. Carefully choose your leverage, understanding it amplifies both potential gains and losses significantly. To place a trade, select your desired trading pair and choose whether to go long or short. Input your order size and confirm the details. Always implement risk management by setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital from adverse price movements. Additionally, consider using take-profit orders to automatically close your position once a target profit level is reached, securing your gains. Beyond basic orders, Binance Futures offers advanced features such as trailing stop and post-only orders, which can enhance your trading strategy. Always prioritize continuous learning and adapt your approach based on market conditions. Effective risk management, including proper position sizing, is paramount for long-term success. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you focused and hydrated during your trading sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.